And we're back to learning Photoshop in the year day 102. Let me show you how you can add a drop shadow to basically all elements in Photoshop. I've already shown you this in the last two tutorials. We can create a text element using the type tool. Let me give that a reddish color. Then we just right click here on the layer. We find the blending options, check the drop shadow, and we can adjust it. I'll make it black. Left click drag to reposition it on the canvas and increase the size a little bit. If this is totally new to you, as I've said, I've made 2 videos about that. Just check my Learn Photoshop in 365 Days playlist. With the same principle, it works on images. Just right click again, blending options, add a drop shadow, and here it is. Click drag, and you can see this basically a rectangle with edges that feather out. Let me create a rectangle. Give it a fill, yet again right click. In this case you just have to search a little bit. The blending options are now in a different position. They're here on top, but it works the same way. So activate them, check the box for the drop shadow, and you're good. Finally, this also works on this path right here. Let me give that no fill but a stroke, and it's technically not a path, it's a shape. You can see that here. But this line can be given a drop shadow as well via right click, blending options, and this drop shadow option. So what I've shown you so far doesn't just work on text, it works basically on all elements in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.